Yeah. I was going too fast to the turn. I'm fine though. I fucking fell again. No. Huh? Oh yeah. I was, woo! I didn't get hurt. I like, not to the very end is where the bike fell over. I got scared. But it's... What? No. Hey!
Another bike.
Yeah. It's in gear. Hold up.
Pick it up.
I was like in third gear. Oh yeah, no, I didn't get hurt. Like, I rode straight all the way over here, and then it started going sideways, and I was drifting like this. I hit that turn too quick. I don't know. That was fun though. Look, like all the way to here, I was like this. Somehow I was like this, and then till right here I slowed down and it just fell over.
And then like it went down, and then I was like, "Are you okay?" And then like it went, and then I turned around and I saw the fucking dirt was picked up. I was like, "Oh no!"